Everybody. Okay. Share screen and share and do not disturb. Let's go ahead and get going, everyone. GM, everybody. This will be a 30-minute call before I get to my full-time job. The Genghis KAHN AI utility token video call. GM. I'll be looking at chat as best I can in this window and Riverside as well as in Telegram. And we're at 495 members in Telegram. So please, if you're wanting to learn about this, hop into the Telegram and build alongside. That'd be really cool if we hit 500 members today. Overview of this call. It's going to be 30 minutes. We're going to go over updates for the week, January 20th of this week, January 20th to the 24th. And then also intent. We're going to review some intent of the token and then go ahead and discuss the roadmap and Q&A. Introduction for those of you who don't know me, who are more of the trader variety that have recently followed me. Hi, everybody. I'm Marcus Rain. I've had 4 years in crypto, a few years with Soulbound Labs, a few years with Edge and Node. I'm currently working with Edge and Node, which is a core development team working on building the graph. And if you don't know about the graph, it's an indexing solution that is decentralized in the crypto space, basically organizing lots of crypto data and then providing that to websites and providing that to analytics teams. This project, by the way, is not in support of Edge and Node. They did not say, hey, go do this. They are in support of me building with subgraphs and being in public about that, which this is, but they do not explicitly, of course, support this token. This is a separate side project that I'm melding my experience with subgraphs and education with my experience with this token. And we're kind of bridging this and building in public. I think that's a good way to learn and have this all go well. So, as a developer relations professional, I do podcasts, documentation, education, live coding workshops worldwide. I do that all the time. Hence, I'm pretty experienced at doing this and just talking about things publicly, learning in public. This is what I do professionally. Other than crypto, before I was in crypto professionally, I was a doctor of physical therapy and I was still coding. I was coding and just tinkering for years and really enjoying that. And from there, I transitioned into crypto due to the pandemic. Pandemic hit, and I said, hey, I can't go into the office and be a clinician. I would like to educate and onboard developers into this new world, and I'm doing that right now. Also a business owner, USA soccer player for 7 years as a kid, and I also like to bake, and I have my little dog. And my little dog is right over there. She's always following me around. So that's me. Let's get into updates for the week. Data 1 to 5 accomplishments. We have launched a token, AI utility token. And the intent of this token is to be a developer-focused token. Essentially, we're going to build this AI in public and have a membership. If you would like to bring your tokens and stake your tokens into this AI membership, you will actually have the access to the developers of which I am gathering. I'm talking with many developers right now. We have a few developers that are world-class, and that's my opinion. I think they're world-class. Front-end dev, 2 back-end devs. Basically, front-end is the website, how it looks, and the back-end is how it operates. And you don't see that stuff, but it's very important. And then also, I've got a hybrid, kind of a DevRel, and a DevRel is a developer relations professional, who's also experienced with back-end development and some front-end. He's kind of an all-rounder. So I'm not going to say who these people are just yet. Just know that I'm talking with these developers, and they are showing more interest, and I'm understanding exactly what their interest is in assisting this project, and essentially saying, hey, if you are a member to this token, and you do stake your tokens, right now we have 22 members, how's it going, everybody? You will have access to have education and being able to take your skills and bring them up wherever you are as a beginning developer, as an experienced developer. Do you want to meld AI and crypto? We're going to build this in public, and you guys are going to be working with us, and we're going to do this as a good exercise. So that's a real big accomplishment already. We're getting utility out of this token. This is a utility token. That's important to know. This is not just a meme coin, if you will, that spikes and drops. This is a project, and I'm really feeling accomplished. This in 1 week, we're getting this off the ground. Community, there's 495 Telegram members, which is awesome. I'm really, really happy that we're having 495 members right now. And, soon to hopefully be 500. Hop into the Genghis KAHN AI token group chat. That is down in the, there's links, absolutely. that I've put in there. Go ahead and look for that somewhere. There's so many links I'm dealing with, so please find some. And we've already got a moderator. We got 2 moderators in there, and they're really seeing high quality conversations. I'm really impressed with the conversations in there. Everyone's being respectful. We've got some good bots going on in there that are doing their job automated. That's really impressed me, as well as just really impressive for keeping a safe space for learning. I think it's awesome. And then also accomplishments AI on the website. Right now, I've been manually posting the AI content, generating it, posting it, making sure it's looking correct and having a good brand, and then posting it on the Genghis KAHN AI Twitter. And I'm aiming for automation by the end of the day, so it's scheduled and just doing regular analytics. That's what I'm working for. It shouldn't take too long to get that going. I was hoping to get that finished last night. It didn't, but it 100% should be done by end of day. And then the website roadmap updates posted by end of day. I will be updating the website itself, which is Genghis KAHN AI token.xyz. I will be updating that website so it shows some of these accomplishments, and we are making progress. And the front-end developer that I'm talking to actually is showing interest in maybe even getting some of his. He does front-end all the time. I'm not a front-end 24/7 developer. This developer is, and he is very much interested in hopping in and doing that. So I'll keep you posted in the Telegram group about what's happening there. So let's back up from the accomplishments. Day 1 to 5 accomplishments, the intent of the Genghis KAHN utility AI token. And once again, there's a little disclaimer on the bottom. I'll just read it here for all intents and purposes. The KAHN token is intended to function as an expression of support and engagement with the ideals and vision embodied in the symbol KAHN and associated artwork. It is not intended to be, nor should it be considered an investment opportunity, investment contract, or security of any kind. This project is focused on education, which it is, empowering individuals to learn about blockchain AI and innovation while exploring the potential of decentralized technologies. Genghis KAHN AI token XYZ exists solely to inspire and educate. And I really believe that we are inspiring and educating and building in public, and I think that is a really powerful thing. The best way to learn is by doing, and that's what we're doing. So the target audience, developers of all backgrounds who want to hop in. Maybe you're simply a trader and you want to learn, get closer to the actual numbers and actual analytics, and really maybe even create your own dashboard and maybe actually look at the detail at a very low level and say, that's interesting. And you've been trading for years, but dashboards are missing something and you want to jump in yourself. Well, guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to be jumping in and looking at that data. And then also we're going to be learning how to implement AI with that and train AI on those models. So we've got the AI side, and we've got the analytics side, and we've got the front end side, and we're going to be building this all together and seeing how useful this AI can be for us. And really, this is solving a problem. There's not enough devs in Web3 right now. As I remember there's an A16Z report, maybe, I think it was for 2024, and correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I remember there was 8,000 developers full-time, just 8,000. That's it. And that's in crypto. And I might be wrong on that. I need to double check on that, but that's a number I'm remembering. Shockingly low amount of developers for such a powerful industry, and that's not good enough. Why? Fear, confusion, gatekeeping, people who are raised maybe in more traditional education systems that look at crypto as, whatever. That's a whole thing. The culture transitioning from Web 2 to Web 3 is not fully instantiated. And there's a second problem. Web 3 crypto dev is tough. It's not exactly easy. It's quite confusing to go from Web 2 to Web 3. There's lots of resources, which is good, which is something that wasn't there a few years ago. And it's unfortunate, but there's not a lot of direct collaborative learning opportunities that I've seen. This is the first that I've seen of its kind, where I'm doing my best to bring in very experienced developers with newbies, and we're going to see what we could do in the middle. And that's really what we're trying to do, very much a hybridization in real time. And then finally, problem 3, devs learn by doing. You could take all the video courses and projects that you want. You could do those. You could do little side projects, all that you want. But those are all, side projects are kind of hidden. And video courses are kind of hidden. And you put these on your LinkedIn. You're like, hey, I built this little project. That's great. But I'm really trying to make this a project that is very much built in public and a learning opportunity that can be referenced for years to come. So that's what we're doing here. How the AI token and the utility of this will attend to the target audience, which is developers who want to get started. I know a lot of devs. That's essentially my job, is dev relations. 2 have already confirmed they're helping, and I'm working on, is it 2 or 3 right now? It's awesome. I think we have 2 or 3 already who are like, let's go. I'm chatting with one later today on a video chat. And then there's market timing, where AI and crypto is the new frontier, really. And we're seeing AI kind of settle from its hype, and crypto has been settled and more mature now, and we're seeing kind of a hybridization. And I feel like this is a really cool opportunity for developers to get to know each other and learn a lot. So that's awesome. So the project objective is exactly that: attend to all 3 problems with a token-gated membership. This is the Genghis Khan AI. Once you go to the CreatorBid website and you stake your tokens for a few weeks, they're locked. You are now a member. I know we have 22 members right now, and that's a really awesome thing. So we will all build this AI in public. It's going to be engaging, well-trained, and built in public with members who have this token, who are experienced crypto, alongside experienced crypto and AI developers, who I'm doing my very best to network and gather. So let's discuss this roadmap briefly, and we'll leave about 10 minutes for questions. The phase 1, which we've already done, which is awesome. We have 496 members. How's it going? Keep on joining, y'all. Branding and community. We're already getting the brand going. Basic manual AI features, we're getting that going. Phase 2, by the end of Q1, we're going to have extensions of features and onboarding and being more clear about the developers we have on board to assist with this, either in terms of active building or education. I want to be clear with everyone watching this and everyone participating that we're going to be doing our very best with this. And then phase 3, iterative testing of features, community assist and marketing of the features. And then phase 4, we really are having that community dev membership feedback loop polishing and maintenance. So that's the phases of this utility. Tokenomic next step, these are not finalized. I'm discussing with a consultant right now who's in the group, 777 Moneymaker, who's launched many tokens. He said I could speak publicly that he is assisting and trying to figure it out. With chat, I talked yesterday and said, hey, there's a lot of people who want to market this token. That's a big push right now, and I think that's an important thing. This should be marketed well. And I'm like, cool, I'm learning alongside you. I don't know deeply as much as Moneymaker knows, 777 Moneymaker, but he's launched many, many, many tokens. He said marketing is a big thing, and the chat agreed. So we're going to be pushing the vault funds into that. And also membership shares. I want to figure out how to incentivize. I know the membership does get CreatorBid tokens. I'm curious about the percentage of the vault can also go back to members too. If they stake their tokens, I want that to be possibly a reward from the vault itself. I'm trying to figure that out, which I'll be doing the mathematics today and this weekend to see. And then looking at the development shares, see the devs who are hopping in. I want them to be incentivized by the vault as well. And then airdrop, considering an airdrop to improve marketing. Not sure if that's in the meta right now, because I remember airdrops are kind of not in the meta. I'm not seeing as many of those, but these are all being discussed. I'm trying to figure this out, what to do with these funds, and be transparent about that. The team right now, hello, these are all in Telegram. I'm working on building the graph with Edge and Node. The Combot, who is the bot who is managing a lot of things, automated. We have Volt, who is doing the moderation, and 777 Moneymaker. So those are all the people who are the people in the crew. For right now, I am seeing, this is more of a recording in public, so I'm not seeing too many questions, which is okay. But let's go ahead and look at all the chat windows. I'll leave 10 minutes open for questions. If there are any on Twitter also, let's see. This is streaming here, seeing 10 notifications. Okay, Khan. Okay, replying to. Okay, Apesome Khan, dev worked for GRT before. Actually, I guess am I working for GRT or am I supporting the protocol? I'm supporting the protocol of GRT. All right. Okay, so I'm not seeing any questions. If anyone has questions, I'll be hanging out live on stream right now. Feel free to, I guess, ask questions in the Telegram group and ask questions in the Riverside link and ask questions on Twitter. If you just comment on the live stream, I'll see that. Let's see if I can see that right now. That'd be cool. So we got this. And also, this is the subgraph that was built. I will be extending this subgraph significantly. And then also, there is the CreatorBid subgraph as well. This has already been extended significantly. This is Graph Explorer, which is where there's so many endpoints that are publicly available. CreatorBid, here we go. And so yeah, one day queries, 2.7 million queries into this subgraph that's already well built. I built a baby one just to get going, but basically I built if for those of you who are new devs, a subgraph, think of it as a way to transfer data from point A to point B in a custom way. That's all a subgraph is doing, and CreatorBid has done it in a beautiful, creative way, and they can go ahead and we could send little test queries through here. That's essentially a lot of my job. There's curators who are indexing, sorry, not indexing, but providing their GRT to this. Basically, this is a lot of what I do day to day with the graph and CreatorBid, and this is what I did with them. So anyways, any questions so far? Y'all are seeing my screen. There we go. Okay. 496 members. Hi, chat. Anyone on questions? I'm going to be hanging out here for a little bit. Unfortunately, Moneymaker couldn't make it into the chat. He wanted to be here on the live call. I will be doing these every Friday on my own personal Twitter. I will be also chatting with my Telegram group regularly and seeing how that's going. Okay, how's it going? We have a new member. Good morning. All right. Hello, hello. But yeah, it's really good to be a part of this, guys. And I'm really happy that people are here. Any questions? I'm seeing retweets. Hi, everyone. And I'll be here for another side. By the way, Riverside is an awesome live streaming service. I'm doing this through Riverside. Really like it. Feels quite professional. It's all through the browser. And I'll just hang out here for a few more minutes and just keep on talking. Until I see any questions. And I'll get to my work day with Edge and Node and helping the graph. But yeah, by the end of the day, as I'm winding down, or maybe even tomorrow, I'll work on the website and see how that's going. Up. Let's see, what stream should I leave here? The Genghis KAHN a utility token video call. All right, no questions so far. Let's just go ahead and review the token itself. Yeah, let's talk about, I think it's very important to talk about transparently about this treasury right here, which is where this big marketing push will go. I'm talking with the advisor, Moneymaker, who's launched a lot of tokens. We got 26 members. Hi, members. Y'all are coming in. Awesome. We had 22 this morning. That's awesome. So this is where the marketing is going to come from. And a significant amount of it, we're going to push and see if we can get some more visibility here while I keep on gathering developers. I'm trusting in my community right now to help me understand better how to work with these funds, and I will be attending to the members, making sure this is a utility to them, making sure there's value to them, and doing my very best to just see who wants to hop in. We get live updates. I love that. And where does this go? I was getting advice yesterday about 50% of this treasury should be into marketing. I'm not committing to that. I'm not saying that's what will be happening, but I'm learning. So I feel this is a good experience for everyone in public to be understanding what we're doing here. And from my discussions with the advisor, this is typical of a lot of crypto projects. They will launch, become super strong, and then they will settle. The goal is to, of course, not have this go all the way down. So we do need community engagement. We're having this just kind of flatline right now is actually okay, because apparently the market is not great with volume. And to have this just be strong at a base, that's a good thing. I'm learning. I've not traded a hell of a lot of tokens. I'm here for the education and tech, and I have been for a long time. And now I'm learning in public. So this is what we're doing together, guys. I think this is a cool project to actually build this and learn how to do and create value in public. All right, we have a new buy in the bot. New buy. People are buying. I love it. This is great. All right, so I'll be in chat for 4 more minutes. I'm not seeing any questions, but just know that I'll be here every Friday, just live streaming and building in public. Any devs out there in my network that are interested in assisting in this project, reach out to me. If you know me, you already have my Telegram, and you already have built trust with me. So if you're interested in helping with this project, I'm more than happy to get you involved. I want to build in public. I want to devs, if you're interested, hop in, reach out to me. I'll reach out to you. We'll chat. And I want to provide value to these 26 members. I got a question. NM Bean. Yes. Will it be recorded? Yes. It's actually being recorded, and it will be on Twitter. And that's where the recording will be. I will post this recording in the Genghis KAHN group. So that is possible. there. So there we go. We have another member hopping in. Hi, welcome, welcome. New membership. Hi, welcome King X Sparta to the community. How's it going? Thank you. All right, awesome. Good interaction there. So I'll be here for 3 more minutes, and this is all for the members, guys. If you guys want to be members to this, it's token gated community. Come on in. I'm doing my best to reach out to developers in my network, reach out to me, and let's create some value with this AI token. Let's build an AI together. I think that'd be really cool. Let's see. Any other questions in any other chat windows? Let's see. That's the real question. Any other questions? No questions right now. That's okay. I wonder if this question, I know there's so many chat windows here. You'll have to bear with me, everyone. I'm 123 views. I love it. Are there any, I think there's a chat within the stream itself, which if I click on that, yeah, there's a chat here too, guys. Got echo. There we go. Seeing chat here. Okay, that streams in. So many windows. Okay. All right. I'll do better, I suppose, on managing all these chat windows. Have a singular place for chat. In the meantime, guys, thank you so much for hopping in. I'll be here for 2 more minutes before I get to my regular workday with Edge and Node. Once again, this is for education purposes. Please hop in if you would like to hop into the Telegram group. And if you are curious, you can find me on Twitter. I'm happy to chat with y'all. And we're going to be building subgraphs. We're going to be building front ends. We're going to be building back ends. We're going to be really doing our very best to create utility for developers who want to be members. So, hello. Hey, Divinity. How you doing? Welcome to the group. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Zo Crypto, how you doing? I'm seeing you typing. Be here for 1 more minute before I gotta. All right, everyone. Well, I'll be here next Friday on Twitter, live streaming there. And if you want to chat, I will be in the Telegram chat there, and I will be doing regular updates there in that smaller community, while I also work on my day-to-day. So thank you so much. Yep, looking forward to all the development work. Thank you, Satoshi. Looking forward to working with the developers and you guys, the community, hybridizing, bringing everyone together. That is my job, very much so. So I just thank you all for your time. Thank you all for your attention. The attention economy is real, and the more attention we can provide to anything, that is the real value. So have a good one. X, have a good one. Telegram group, I'll be around and continuing developing on this transparently. So have a good one, everyone. Let me go ahead and shut down the stream. Riverside, that's it.